Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is finally the day I am headed out to Orlando. If you have watched my previous vlog series, we were just in Disneyland Paris for the opening of the Marvel Avengers campus. So if you haven't already watched that, make sure to go check it out. I will link it up there. But I am now headed out to Walt Disney World in Orlando for a month-long trip. I'm spending the first 2 weeks with my dad, my stepmom and my 2 younger siblings. And then the second 2 weeks it'll be my mom, my grandma, my uncle and my 2 cousins. So it's going to be a jam-packed summer and I'm going to be vlogging every single day. I am flying alone today. The others are flying from Manchester. I'm actually flying from London Heathrow. I'm flying with Delta and I'm going via Atlanta. So this is going to be a long day. I think I'm actually going to be traveling for over 24 hours. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I make it until the end of the day. I am staying at Pop Century for the first week. I am then moving to Old Key West for the second week. And then the final 2 weeks, I am staying at All Star Sports. I'm not staying with my dad and co for the first 2 weeks. I am staying alone. But then the second 2 weeks, I am staying in a hotel room with some of the others. It is currently just gone 6 o'clock and we are just about to leave so I can grab the train down to London, and my flight isn't until 2 p.m. this afternoon, so hopefully I will make it there on time. Let's go! I'm officially here. I'm literally just going through like the rest of the train station to actually get to the terminal, but I'm about 4 hours before my flight, so hopefully I'll have time to check my bag in, go through security and then go grab something to eat before my flight. So I'm just about to drop my bag off. I've been waiting about 45 minutes, which I don't think is too bad. I think the others waited about an hour and a half this morning to drop their bags off at Manchester. So that's something to know. Obviously, you know, things will be changing every day, but it's taking me about 45 minutes to get to the front of the bag drop queue. I am now through security. It literally only took me 15 minutes from start to finish. That was very fast. It is now 3 hours and 4 minutes to my flight, so I'm gonna go find some food because I'm absolutely starving. Now that I've eaten like an actual meal, I've just come to get a couple of snacks for the plane just in case they either forget to get me a vegan meal or like it's rubbish. But honestly, there's actually not that much here, so I might have to venture to another shop. I think there's a WH Smith's just around the corner. Okay, let's see what they've got. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is way worse. I thought Boots was bad. Oh my god, this is very bad. Oh dear. Okay, don't really know what to do about that. Maybe just like pray they have a meal on the flight for me, because otherwise I'm going to starve. This is brilliant times. Oh dear. I had to abort mission in WH Smith's because there was literally nothing there. That was very, very bad. So I'm now going back to Boots, see if I can find something. Even if I just get like a drink and a snack, I guess that's better than nothing. Yes, this is more like it. They actually have things on the shelves. This is what I wanted to see. Right, I think I might just get like a sandwich, my usual. I'm just sat down on one of the chairs, but I'm very impressed to see they've got like normal British plugs, 2 of them, in between each like 2 chairs. But they've also got USB and USB-C, I think that is, which I haven't seen before, so that's really cool. So I can see a sign over there. Oh, it's just changed, but look up where all the gate information is. It says some of the gates are literally a 20-minute walk away. I've never flown from this airport before, so I don't know what I'm getting myself into, but honestly I need to be like on this. My gate number is due to come up literally any second, so I'm literally just chilling here waiting for it to come up, and then I'm gonna go find the gate. So the flight 2 below me on the board is cancelled, and every single time I look at the board I think, oh my god, my flight's cancelled. It's not. It's just saying please wait for gate. So I'm just like in Ted Baker right now doing a bit of browsing, but I am heading to the gate very, very soon. I've literally just found out there's a whole nother massive section of this airport that I didn't know about. But also, my gate is up. I am headed to gate 21, so let's go. And of course, my gate is one of the ones that says 20 minutes away, and I'm guessing it's the furthest that it goes. We have a trek ahead of us. I've now cleared customs. I've just come to pick my bag up. I had such a lovely chat with the guy, like the customs officer. He was telling me apparently that Disney World isn't good because they steal all your money, but Universal's better. I'm not so sure about that. But he was very nice and friendly. Sometimes they're a bit miserable, so that was a good experience. I have now collected my bag. I've been through customs and I'm heading towards the domestic terminal, but my next flight isn't for another like 5.5 hours. So this is going to be fun. I've already been up for I think almost 20 hours or something, and we still have a long way to go, so hopefully I will make it until I arrive in Orlando. I think the last time I flew from here was 4 years ago in 2018, but I remember it so vividly. We got Mexican food from that place, I'm pretty sure, and we were on our way home. This is so weird, like it's literally exactly the same. This airport is literally enormous. I would say if you have a very short stopover, you're unlikely to make it, which is not good news. Thankfully mine's really long, but I think on the way back I'm here. Wow, my voice is cracking because I'm so tired. And it's only like 2 hours, so I'm really hoping that I'll actually make it because there's a lot going on. So I've just been sat for the last couple of hours and I've actually just uploaded the first of the Disneyland Paris vlogs. So if you haven't already checked that out, go check it out if you're interested in watching that. It was for the opening day of the Marvel Avengers campus. But I am now on a mission to go find a drink and some food. It looks like because it's quite late, it's like 9:30 I think, most places are starting to shut or have shut. So I'm hoping there's somewhere open, somewhere that I can get a drink and a little bit of something to eat before my flight, which is still in like another 2 hours. To be honest, I think I'm gonna probably end up going to Qdoba again like I did 4 years ago. I am actually pretty hungry, but it feels like I've eaten about 10 meals today. And then again, it also feels like I've been awake for about 10 days all at one go, so you know, maybe it's fine. So I've just picked myself up a burrito bowl from Qdoba. It's literally got so much food in it. They didn't actually have the veggie option, but they just put guac in there and I was like, yeah, that's fine, because there wasn't really any option. And then I nipped to the little like shop part and I got a Gatorade, this like toast and peanut butter snack. I thought I could have that for breakfast in the morning, and then just some Lay's just in case. I have made it on the plane. It's supposed to take on about half an hour I think, and the flight is only just over an hour, but also I've managed to get myself, I think, a full row to myself, so I might lie down and have like a little snooze. I'm so tired, it's almost been 24 hours now, but I'm so close to being there. Once I arrive at Orlando, I am actually getting the Maze Connect to Pop Century. I actually wanted to get the Sunshine Flyer because I saw better reviews for it, but apparently you have to book that 4 days in advance. So if you do want to get the Sunshine Flyer, make sure you book it 4 days or more in advance. But I only booked it yesterday, so I am actually going on the Maze Connect. So I will give you guys a little review of that and everything once I arrive, and of course we'll have a quick room tour also once I get there. Also, this is really cool because you actually get one of these TVs even though it's a super short flight, and you get like a USB so you can charge your phone. I don't really feel like there's that much need to watch a movie because like the whole thing won't get done, but it looks like they've got the same things I think as on the other flight, and it's literally got everything you could possibly imagine, like so many choices. Maybe I'll just watch like a couple of episodes of The Big Bang Theory or Friends or something if it is the same. Yeah, here we go, just to occupy my time for the next hour. Also, not surprising, but this flight is literally like completely empty. Like there's hardly anybody around, but it is literally 4 to midnight. We have made it off the flight. The airport is literally deserted. Nobody is anywhere to be seen. I just need to go grab my suitcase and then I'm headed straight for the Maze Connect. I am literally the only person mental enough to turn up at this time. I love that for me. Always alone. You will always be the Guys, I've officially made it. It's currently 10 to 3, which is 10 to 8 English time. Bear in mind, I left at 20 past 6 yesterday English time, so it's been well over 24 hours, but I am finally here. It took a while for me to check in. The Maze Connect was brilliant. It was only like a little minibus, as you would have seen, but I assume that's just what they do when it's like super quiet in the middle of the night. But basically there was 3 sets of people. The first one went to Art of Animation, and then I was brought here to Pop Century, and then the third set of people were going to All Star Sports. But I guess it just kind of depends who is showing up at that specific time and where they're staying. But honestly, that was absolutely fine. I think we waited for about 15 minutes once I got there because I was the first one there. So yes, I would highly recommend that, but at the same time, I don't know what the normal daytime service is like, so don't quote me on it. I'm now going to show you guys around this room. It's absolutely amazing. I don't think I've stayed in a refurbished room yet at any of the resorts, and honestly, walking in, I was like in shock compared to like the All Stars. Obviously there's nothing wrong with them, but they are just quite dated. This is absolutely gorgeous, so I'll show you guys around. So as you walk in, there are curtains here. I've already shut them just in case. We then have a fridge, which I'm sure they didn't used to be see-through, but that's quite good. You can see what you've got. We have a coffee maker with green tea and Earl Grey. That's not very good for like British people. Coffee creamer, again not great. Sweetener and sugar, and then like these coffee, I don't know anything about coffee, but coffee people, you'll know what they are. And then we've got cups up here, like plastic ones for water and then paper ones for hot drinks, and then an ice bucket cooler thingy. Then obviously they have the thermostat over here. I feel like this is very standard over here in Orlando. We then have two bins, one for recycling and one for regular, which I really appreciate. We've got some plug sockets on the wall here. As we come on over, we have like the TV stand, even though the TV is not on it, but this must have storage going on inside. Wow. Oh yeah, there's a safe in there, a Bible, and an extra pillow, it looks like. On top we have two plugs and two USBs, and the same on this side over here. We have some drawers. I'm guessing they're all just drawers. We then have a massive TV. Hello, you can see me in there. And then we have 5 hooks for like coats and jackets and stuff. Obviously it's a bit warm for that, but that's still really useful to have. We then turn around and we have the main bed, which looks absolutely enormous. We've got bedside tables, again with 2 plug sockets and 2 USBs. Has this cute picture of Mickey, 3 Mickeys on the back, and the same on this side, 2 plug sockets, 2 USBs, and like a phone. I guess you could like order room service. And then over here is like the table, which also folds down into a bed. You then come through here into the bathroom, which is just like super modern. So we've got like a little wardrobe area, which I'm sure didn't used to have unless it was in the main room, which has like space for hanging, space for putting stuff. We have an ironing board. I'm assuming there's an iron somewhere. Ooh, this is good. An iron and a hairdryer. We have spare tissues and a spare toilet roll, again because they don't necessarily come in your room every single day. I think it's every other day. That's good to know, just in case you run out of toilet paper if you have like spilled a drink or something. We then have the sink. It is only 1 sink. I think in the moderate and deluxe resorts you get 2, but in the value you only get 1, but still it's only me, so that's fine. We have H2O facial soap, although I don't see any hand soap, so I might have to use that for hand soap for now. We have more plugs. I guess that's for like a toothbrush or a shaver or something. And then we have one of these like fun mirrors, I think. Yeah, let's try it. Oh gosh, we won't look into it because, you know, it's been a long day, but let's see. Ta-da! So that's good. I like that. And then obviously just like a big normal mirror. And then you come through here finally, and we have like towel rails, the toilet, pretty standard, another bin in there, which is good, more towels, and then this, I don't know why it shocked me the most, but it just looks absolutely gorgeous. So it's like glass rather than a shower curtain, which I really appreciate because it's less grimy. And then we have the H2O things. They are like stuck to the wall, but still they're absolutely fine. They're good to use, and if they do run out, I'm sure they'll like refill them for you. Obviously it is actually a bath, which is super useful if you've got like younger kids or somebody that like won't take showers. And then it has like the 2 shower heads. So that pretty much concludes the tour. So I do hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog. To me it seems like it was really boring, like I didn't do anything fun all day, but I do know that I love watching other people do this. So if you did enjoy, make sure to leave me a massive thumbs up. I haven't done a travel with me to Florida before because I always thought it was too boring, but I thought, you know what, this time I'll try it. I'm on my own, I might as well, I've got nothing better to do. I am headed into Epcot tomorrow for the day with my dad and co. I don't know exactly what the plan is, obviously, because I haven't slept yet and I don't know what time I want to wake up. I am tempted just to wake up and go early, but I don't want to ruin the whole trip by trying to go too hard at the beginning, so we will see. Also, my previous video I haven't mentioned yet would have been Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. I obviously haven't been yet, it's in a couple of weeks, but I wanted to post that in real time for you guys just in case you're interested to see it if you want to go this year. So go check that out, I will link it up there if you haven't already seen it. And other than that, I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Bye!